Okay, so today, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to create your own people's card. You can call it um, public card, or you can simply call it a virtual business card. But basically, is a form of you creating an online presence where people can easily search for your details online, and then you get more visibility. Uh, this feature is available for in countries like Nigeria. It was first launched in India 2 years ago, but now it's available in countries like Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa. So it's not yet a feature that's available globally. And since majority of us are Nigerians, I think is what we can tap into to create more visibility online. Now, to create your Google People's Card, the first thing you have to do is that you have to go to your Google Chrome browser. So visit your Google Chrome browser. When you get your Google Chrome browser, what you have to do is go to the search box. Go to the search box, and in the search box, you would type "add me to search." Add, okay, add me to search. So add me to search. All right. Um, when you when you type "add me to search," this is bringing. You're saying this because I already created my own people's card, and Google permits you to just create one people's card per account. So I don't want to create another account. But in your own case, what you will see is that once you type "add me to search," you will see a notification that's telling you "get started." Note that a notification will tell you that "get started." So when you click on that notification that it says "get started," then um it will direct you to a place where you can provide your phone number, where you can keep provide your phone number. And then, mind you, before you start creating your people's card, you need to first of all sign in to your Gmail, or the email, a Google registered email that you want to use. You can't use any other email aside from Google email. So you have to use Google email account. So the account you want to use for your public profile, you must be signed in to it. That is very important. Then after doing that, you create after clicking on the get started icon, as I said earlier on, it's going to redirect you to a place where you can insert your phone number. Make sure it is your primary line that you want people to connect with you with. Then when you create that, then it will bring you to this interface. So I'll be showing you the step by step procedure in creating your own people's card. So after you at first, let me do a recap. You go to Google, type "add me to search." After that, you see a prompt notification that will tell you "get started" and added to Google search. You click on that, then another interface will come up where you can put in your primary phone number. An OTP will be sent to your phone, to that number. Then you confirm the OTP to confirm your account. After that, you'll be brought to this interface that you are seeing here. So the first thing you can do is that you upload, you change the avatar. Probably that is basically your profile picture that you want people to see when they search for your name. So like my own now, you can see my profile picture. I use it across all my social media handles. So you can simply click on. Let me give it a try. See, I'm trying to probably like change the profile picture, but I'm not going to change mine. But you can simply update yours. So you can see the change icon, the remove icon, and the likes. So you bring in your profile picture that you want people to recognize it. Make sure it is a professional picture, not the picture you snapped uh, using just anyhow picture, because that's what people will see when they search for you online. So let's go back. Let's go back. So you can see the other settings that are there. Once you get to this place, you see the About Me section where you can see your name. But in the place of this your name, you can't edit it. You can't change that name. Can't change that name. Let's see. Okay, let me see if the name can be changed. Let me see. Okay, okay, so you can edit the name, and make sure that if you want to use a name, make sure it is a name that you don't share. If you are sharing name with popular people, for instance, now my own is Wahab Olayinka. There's a popular name called Wahab Folawiyo. If my name is Wahab Folawiyo and I'm creating a Google people's card that is similar to Wahab Wow, Folawiyo, I'll be having issue. People will be having issue recognizing me. So it's more preferable if you're a professional like a doctor, you can put Doctor Folawiyo. So that will separate your own account from other people's accounts. You can put initials like barrister, like account, like Mr. You can even simply put yes. If you share name with popular people, you can put at the beginning like this. Yeah, so let's say Mr. Okay, let's say Mr. Wahab Olayinka. So when people want to search for you, just say search for Mr. Wahab Olayinka. And if you are a doctor, you can simply put Dr. Wahab Olayinka. So it separates you from the other people that are being searched online. So, but me, I'm not going to change my own. I prefer the Wahab Olayinka uh, that I'm putting there. So, let's go back. Let's go back. So that is for the name aspect. You can put a nickname. Me, I don't have a nickname I want to put. So um so we are done with this. You can see some other profiles. Then this is for my Google account. Okay. So let's go back to the Google admin to search. So this is for the name. You can change location you're in. I told you basically you can use Nigeria. Um we have Nigeria, India, South Africa, Kenya that are currently being supported. Then another thing you will see is the About Me section where you write um, a compelling caption for what you are into. For instance, I'm into digital marketing and I'm putting this caption there. Selling is the lifeblood of any business. In this information age, mastery selling in the online space is a must for any business owner to survive. So if you are an accountant, you can say, okay, I hold and I can, just put something that depicts that fully, like, even when someone reads about your profile, they can easily understand what you're in. You are an accountant, you are a barista, probably you are into probably you're a pastor, you can put it there too. You are a teacher, you can put it there. You are into beauty, online class, you are teaching people classes online, probably an online tutor, you put it there so that people can easily search and access you. Probably you owe a law firm and the likes, you put it there. Then the next thing you see is the occupation. So you put your occupation. Me, I put digital marketing. I can try to add teacher. You can just simply type in teacher or any other thing you want to put there. So and then you can see the work. I put Expertnia because I'm an affiliate with Expertnia, and then I work in a farm called the Label Farms. So another thing is education. You see, to add more details, you can just click on this plus button and then add whatever detail you want to add. Let me put, for instance, let's say banker. Yeah, let me put banker. Yeah, so just simply to go move, just tap enter and then click on the blank space. So you see the banker is already there. So, but me, I'm not a banker, so I would remove this. I finished from the Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta. You can add name of your school. If it is a university in Nigeria, you're a polytechnic, just simply click on the plus button, type the name of your institution, and then put whatever details. They probably did an online degree or stuffs like that, or a degree in view, simply put it there. Or you took a professional training, simply put it there. Then my hometown, Ogun State, Nigeria. Then this is my website. And in the place of this my website, you can create yours too. Simple website using tap link. Just go to tap link and create a professional website for yourself, a simple professional website for yourself. But you can also use Linktree as well, anyone that is convenient for you. So this is my primary phone number. I can edit it clicking on this pencil icon here. So I can edit this my phone number, but I'm not editing my phone number. So let's go back. Then this is my email. put your type in your email. I'm not changing my email. And the next thing you have to do is add your social media profile. This is very, 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 very key. So I've added my own social media profile, but to do it, you click on this plus icon here. When you click on this plus icon, make sure you have the link to your social media handles ready, handy. You can keep it in a notepad, or you can just keep it in a place that will be convenient for you. So just be copying and be pasting it in this icon. So this is my Facebook, my LinkedIn. Follow me on LinkedIn. I post insightful content on LinkedIn. And also follow me on WhatsApp too. Very important. I share important status updates on WhatsApp. So you keep adding your social media handles to this, then it will be displayed as the icon. I think you are limited to about 6 or 7 icons you can add. So to add on that profile, there's Pinterest, SoundCloud. I don't have those profile yet, but I have Pinterest, but I'm not including Pinterest. But I have SoundCloud. So you can simply save. But me, I'm not saving because I've done my end. And for the fact that you can only create one people's card per account, so I can't create another one. So when you are done, you can preview to see how it will look like when people search for you. Then when you are convenient with it, you will save it. You can simply save it. So you can see the creator Wahab Olayinka. Okay, so you see your view search card has been updated. It can now be viewed online. So that's all for you to create. So these are the things, the skills we're mastering from the 72 IG that we'll be learning. And I think is good if you two can put in 1 or 2 things to master these skills to help you in the online space. So if you need more help with respect to getting started learning digital skills on 72 IG, I can help you kickstart master skills in this digital era to promote yourself, to promote your brand, and to gain more visibility.